Pius, it's been how many hours? Since 8 in the morning, it's now 9 hours, 8 hours.
What was that?
It was 9 hours. I don't know what that was, but I felt a shift.
Yeah.
For me.
Yeah.
My life is not going to be the same again. Guys, please, just go. Can you see there, CTA? I don't know where you're watching this, but first subscribe on CTA. Then go over to Nabo, subscribe. Then go over to Faida, subscribe. And of course, you cannot leave out MoneyWise. Go over to MoneyWise, hit subscribe. This video must be shared as well. Amaji.
Ni kweli, you know, we have learned something. I want a lot of money and a lot of time. That to me is definition of success.
Yeah.
Because I want to do the things I love every single day of the year. And we said that giving is the most satisfying thing. So when you have a lot of money and a lot of time, you can be able to do that giving. You can be able to buy back your time and be a blessing to many. There is nothing better than being a blessing. So if you really want to make a lot of money and have a lot of time, make sure you watch this series from the beginning to the end. I don't care if you binge the whole night. Don't stop.
I'm going to watch it again,
Me
by
too.
the way.
Me
Hey, and write a book on this series.
Yep.
Let me just tell you.
So, yes, subscribe. I think Rina has said that. And by the way, there's going to be a surprise. Pius Muchiri is planning to also launch a YouTube channel. Look out for it and also subscribe.
Nice. Very nice.
Cut.